Today we're going to talk about cheap wigs and black eyeliner do's and don'ts for over 50s. The reason for this will be apparent in the end. Last week I bought this gray wig on TikTok, but then when I put it on, well, let's just say I wasn't expecting to look like that in that wig. But now I'm no quitter, so let's see what I can do with this to make it better. First of all, the color is all wrong. So I'm going to have to change several things, but right now I'm feeling like it really just needs some roots. So I grabbed my root cover powder and I'm just going to tap some right down the center and see if that helps. I feel like the biggest problem with this wig, aside from the cut for my face, is just that it's one tone. But once I started adding color like I would like the wig to look, it actually started to look a lot more like something I would actually wear. So I guess my point is, no matter what you get for a wig, just remember that it's kind of like real hair. You have to change it and make it something that you would actually like to wear. And while there are some wigs that, straight out of the bag are going to look amazing on, a $20 wig that you find on TikTok is probably not. But that doesn't mean you can't change it and make it something great. I mean, this is already looking a lot better. And when you put on a wig and you're not used to wearing one, be prepared to change the way you wear your makeup. I actually had to bring my blush all the way in on the balls of my cheeks because it wasn't really visible and I needed more color, especially with that gray. Now, let me be clear, I don't think using root cover-up powders is a great idea to the extent that I did because it's going to get all over your hands if you're messing with your hair. And don't be surprised if you have to change your entire makeup look when you get a wig because the balance of your face is going to be different. And this hair for me was screaming, give me some black eyeliner, please. And honestly, normally, I could not get away with this much black on my eyes. But since the balance of my face had changed, I was really able to totally amp this up. Which leads me straight into the second point of this video. Black eyeliner do's and don'ts for over 50s. I really don't believe in do's and don'ts for makeup. What I do believe in is methods to achieve looks that you want. Makeup is art, so if you put a bunch of do's and don'ts lists on it, you're sucking all the fun out of it, stifling creativity, and you're missing opportunities.